Every home needs a reliable way to reach high shelves or handle quick repairs safely and confidently. Finding the best folding ladder for home use means balancing weight capacity, portability, and safety features without overspending on tools you rarely need. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. HBTower Stepladder. The HBTower stepladder strips the folding stool down to exactly what a household needs without unnecessary bulk. Built from high-grade steel, the frame relies on a reinforced back cross brace to keep everything rigid, while a metal safety buckle snaps into place automatically the moment you unfold it, so there's no fumbling with latches before you climb. Standing 40.9 inches tall open and just 1.6 inches thick folded, it tucks behind a door or inside a closet without eating up floor space, and at 11.5 pounds, it is light enough for almost anyone to carry between rooms. The 3 wide steps use a textured non-slip rubber pattern for heel-to-toe grip, and the handrail carries the same rubber coating so your palms stay planted even mid-task. Large rubber feet spread contact across the floor, which keeps the ladder from sliding on tile or hardwood
And spares your finish from scuff marks. It arrives fully assembled, so setup is a non-issue. And the lock and fold mechanism means you can pop it open one-handed while holding a paint tray in the other. The main trade-off is height. With only 3 steps, this ladder suits quick jobs like dusting ceiling fans or reaching a top cabinet, rather than serious overhead work. For renters, apartment dwellers, or anyone who simply wants a dependable little stool tucked away for occasional use, it delivers real stability at a fraction of the footprint of much bigger ladders, backed by responsive, round-the-clock support if anything ever goes wrong.
Number 2. LANBITOU 14-foot ladder. If your projects go beyond indoor chores, the LANBITOU 14-foot ladder is built for a heavier, more versatile workload. Its aluminum construction runs a full 2 millimeters thick, roughly double the gauge found on many competing multi-position ladders, which adds heft but translates into a sturdier climb. That design choice lets it convert between an A-frame, a staircase ladder, a tall straight ladder, and a compact folded unit, so one purchase covers jobs that would otherwise need several tools. 2 anti-slip balance bars paired with a sloping mesh grip pattern keep the base planted on uneven ground, and soft protective pads at the feet prevent scuffing on floors or walls during indoor use. Every metal edge is wrapped in high-strength plastic, which guards against accidental cuts while you're carrying or adjusting the frame. It carries EN 131
ANSI certification, along with ISO 9001, BSCI, GS, and TUV facility approval, and the manufacturer states it holds up to 300 pounds with lab testing beyond that threshold. Folded down, it measures a manageable 9 by 29 by 47 inches at 29 pounds, so storage in a garage or shed is realistic, despite its extended 14-foot reach.
Number 3. Arbusb Folding Stepladder. The Arbusb Folding Stepladder is aimed squarely at everyday family use, balancing strength with simplicity. A steel frame paired with a reinforced cross structure forms the backbone, while an auto-lock safety buckle clicks into position the instant you open it, removing guesswork about whether the ladder is secure before you step on. Rated to hold up to 500 pounds, it comfortably exceeds what most households would ever need, giving a real margin of confidence for taller adults or anyone carrying tools while climbing. The 3 steps are noticeably wide, with a textured anti-slip surface, offering full foot contact rather than a narrow rung, and rubber feet grip the floor firmly enough to prevent shifting on smooth surfaces like tile or laminate, while also protecting the finish underneath. Open, it stands 40.9 inches tall, with a 21.6 by 26 inch footprint, and it folds down to a slim 2.1 inches, sliding easily behind a door, into a closet, or along a wall without becoming an eyesore. At just under 10.7 pounds, it's light enough to move around one-handed, which matters if you're juggling cleaning supplies or a paint can. There isn't much to criticize here. With only 3 steps, its reach is limited to standard household heights rather than tall ceilings or exterior work. For anyone prioritizing a stable, no-fuss stool that quietly lives in a hallway closet and comes out only for light tasks around the home,
This practical little ladder checks nearly every box without complicating the process.
Number 4. XinSunho 5-Step Ladder. The XinSunho 5-Step Ladder stands out for one clever detail: a retractable hand grip that lets you choose extra reach without changing how the ladder functions. Pull it out and the working height stretches from 52.2 to 59.6 inches, and a built-in safety belt keeps the handrail from sliding out unexpectedly mid-task. Made from thick, high-strength aluminum tubing, with the connection between handrail and mainframe reinforced in aluminum alloy, it's rated to hold 330 pounds and feels solid rather than flexible under load. Each of the 5 steps is widened and textured for anti-slip footing, and PVC padding at the base cushions the ladder's contact with the floor, protecting hardwood or tile from scratches while also absorbing pressure during heavier tasks. At 14.8 pounds, it remains manageable to carry despite the added height, and folded, it shrinks to a slender 2.5 inches, so it slides into a narrow gap between the fridge and the wall or stands upright in a closet without demanding much room. 5 steps give genuinely useful reach for changing ceiling fixtures, painting upper walls, or accessing tall pantry shelves, which shorter 3-step stools simply can't match. Beyond typical chores, it doubles as a ladder shelf or even pet stairs, adding versatility you don't often see. The trade-off is size. A taller ladder like this needs more storage footprint than compact stools, so it suits homes with a garage or utility closet over tight apartments.
Number 5. KINGRACK Folding 5-Step Ladder. For sheer load capacity, the KINGRACK Folding 5-Step Ladder tops this list. Built from rust-resistant steel and rated to hold an impressive 800 pounds. That strength makes it feel less like a household stool and more like genuine work equipment, well suited to heavier DIY projects, home renovations, or anyone wanting a wide safety margin regardless of what they're carrying. One of its most useful touches is a spacious tool tray built into the frame, giving you a spot for gloves, wrenches, paint cans, or light bulbs so you're not climbing up and down every time you need something small. The 5 steps themselves are wide and covered in a non-skid texture, offering plenty of foot contact for stable footing during longer tasks like painting a wall or hanging curtains. An ergonomic safety lock sits comfortably in hand and secures the ladder firmly once unfolded, while soft sponge padding on the handrails adds real comfort if you're gripping it for extended periods. Reinforced steel throughout the frame gives it a noticeably sturdy feel underfoot,
and shark-tooth textured rubber feet bite into the floor for secure footing on both indoor and outdoor surfaces. Given its steel construction and generous capacity, it does run heavier than aluminum alternatives, so carrying it up and down stairs repeatedly may feel like more of a chore.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.